Every single member of staff I've met down in the DR has been absolutely fantastic. The dissection rooms really helped my learning as a student. A lot of physical skills, so the actual dissection skills of using the different dissecting implements and also like things like suturing, but also the sort of softer skills you learn, the empathy, communication, working in a team. We come down here in small groups and that's something that Leicester sort of stand by, the small group learning. Learning to work in a team and share jobs between each other so that you all get the most out of the session is something that's really, really important. One of the most interesting things about working down in the dissection room, actually for me, has been how much technology is integrated into the teaching here. Obviously we make full use of our donors, but actually this is constantly enhanced by not only the use of sort of iPads, so for direct sort of technology, but also we have screens around the room that allow you to be fully engaged with the dissection from the first minute you walk through the door.